So yeah, that's the new bike, I guess. It's an RMZ 450. It's kind of old, but you know, I got it pretty cheap, so I don't really care. My main concern is that it's carbureted, and yeah, I hate carburetors. I got this from a higher elevation place than where I am now. So we're gonna try and fire it up without any rejetting or anything. I haven't tried to start it since I got it, which was the place that I got it from, different elevation. So hopefully it starts and runs good, because if not, I'm gonna kill myself. This is why I hate carburetors so much. Hear that noise it's making? The guy told me about that. And he was just like, it's just this year's Suzuki kind of thing. I don't know. I try to hit the throttle really hard over there, and all it does is pop really loudly and shut off. I'm getting a little pissed off here. Guess I'm gonna cut to the GoPro. I'm gonna ride down the street, I guess. Gotta test her out. The GoPro just died for some reason. I want to go out in that field right there. I mean, there's no private property signs, but I know it's private property. Well, I don't know that actually. And the gate's wide on open, so I mean, what the hell, man? Fuck. Go 4x4. Ah, fuck. Ah! Fucking A. God damn it. Okay, so I just got done riding in the bike, and I mean, it's making noises and stuff. But I mean, he said that's just how it is, so, with Suzuki's, and it runs fine, so I mean, I think I'm just gonna send it. But yeah, and also my GoPro was like malfunctioning that entire time, just being a complete retard. I hate when freaking GoPro just makes a freaking camera and they're like, ooh, this is a good camera, and they're just a piece of shit.